This 2026 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 26 DBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 31 feet 9 inches in length and features a Grand Canyon interior, sleeps 10, refrigerator, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, spare tire kit, water heater, external shower, slide-out, skylight, air conditioning, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 26 DBH is 5,795 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.